Hi, my name is Floyd with OEX Options, and my real name is Dr. Chip Evans. I began OEX Options 10 years ago. I'm a psychologist by trade and a business consultant and own a company called the Evans Group LLC. 10 years ago, with OEX Options, I decided to open a service to prove to myself that I could create an education-oriented, psychologically based trading service that taught traders how to effectively learn how to trade cash derivative options and better understand how using point and figure, no noise, Charles Dow based charting to understand the stock market. I began trading when I was 8. My father was a stock trader back in the 1960s and the 50s, back before there were stock traders that were actually giving picks, before there were alerts, before there were um, trading magazines. Long before any of this began, my father was one of the first, quote, certified planners out there with his own service, and he traded something called the Wyckoff method based on Richard D. Wyckoff. So I began training as a stock trader at 8 and began charting. And I'm 62 today as I write this and talk with you, and I've continued to trade all of my life. But I'd like you to take a look at the simplicity of what we offer and take the time to email and to write and to understand better what we offer and how we offer it. Every week you receive a copy of our Dow projections, which I base on Fibonacci, who is a 15th century mathematician. I base on numerology, astrology, intuition, and the projections of point and figure charting and support and resistance lines. I provide you calculations that help you look at the Dow and look at support and resistance lines for the market in general over a market period of 10 days. I'm extraordinarily successful. I'm very proud to say that in the last 10 years, we, the OEX Options Company, has actually won the Stock Traders Stock Advisory Award, Reader's Choice version, Reader's Choice vote from Stocks and Commodities 6 of the last 10 years, 2008 through 2013. Our competitors are huge: TradeStation, Abelsys, giant companies, and then there's little David and Goliath. OEX Options is simply myself, my thoughts, and my 31-year-old daughter working part-time for me, summarizing and putting our work together. I'm very simple in how I explain. I offer psychological training on the side and separated, and I teach well. If you'll look at references and start to understand more of who we are, you'll learn that OEX Options is simple, basic, and a way for you to learn. We'd love to have you join us.